I'm Lars van der Hul. I'm a technical superintendent in the port of Rotterdam, taking care of the boats technically, nautically. We are very happy that today we can see the FAIRPLAY 95. Later on we do the FAIRPLAY 96. Yesterday FAIRPLAY 92. It's just good to see that we have new tugboats, new generation. Good to see them in the fleet. Looking forward to work with them. The new generation tugboats, they look a little bit smaller, but they are strong and maneuverable, I think well equipped. So I think for our clients as well, it's good to have a tug who is well capable of doing the job in a good time window. It's a reliable tug.
We load these 3 tugs from Damien in Vietnam. It's brand new. We carried it in Rotterdam approximately 1 month, and now we're discharging these tugs in Rotterdam waters in Maas River.
We are very proud to see the 3 tugs going into the water today and make them ready.
So cutting, collecting all these materials, equipment, hooking, unhooking and discharging.
Getting them ready to start up the engines. All the covers can be taken off, the mast can be put in position. We can outfit them with towing equipment, navigation equipment, flags, etc. Provision that they are ready to start. It's a pleasure to see.
We wish for these tugs a really good luck for the journey.